Oh, okay. I just had this thing. Oh, shoot. Oh, hey guys, so today I'm going to give you a little review of this Kiss Dip powder. So, I did use this on myself. I had it on my left hand, but it's already popped off, unfortunately. So I thought I want to give you guys, like, what is this like as opposed to a professional kit. In this kit, the brush-on glue is also the top coat, and they also have it for as like they also have it as like the glue that you use to put the false tips on your fingers. And in a normal kit, I bought the original SNS version when it came out a few years ago, and it's actually like 5 or 6 bottles of product, and they all have like a specific purpose. I thought it was clever that they had it as an all-in-one, but I feel like it takes a little too long to set properly. But I love the little dip powder dish because this is so much, like, I like this because it's really small. Like, when you have the professional kit, most of the dip things, they're really large. So I really liked that about this version. As far as going to a salon versus using this at home, I would actually just go to a salon, because by the time you're using this product, this isn't something that you can just pick up and it'll look great right away. Like, if you want it to look really good, you have to be really smart about it. And I would say the best way to use this kit is if you just want a French dip powder on your nails. If you just try to, you know, paint regular acrylic on top of it, I mean, that's fine, but and it takes a little bit to master. If you're like, this actually kind of threw me off from what I'm used to. I think using the professional kit is actually easier because this one, again, it's like 3 products in one, versus an actual professional kit, you have like 4 or 5 bottles. I know that seems complicated, but I think just the quality is better. You know how when you use like a shampoo / conditioner, it's just kind of like, it's not as good as using both separate products. I would say that's the same for this. So, all in all, if you guys, you do try it, I mean, absolutely. I think if you're a nail tech and you're kind of wanting to cheaply, like, maybe practice on yourself, this would probably be a good option. If you want really nicely, professionally looking, like, dip powder nails, I think you are better off just going to the salon. I know it's a little bit more than this. This kit, I think, was only like 12 bucks at Target, but I think it's really just better off to go to a professional because they have more experience doing this. Yeah, I'm inserting some clips in this video of, like, you know, how you do that. So I hope you guys like that, and have a great day. We'll see each other soon. Oh, and please like and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Bye.